Good evening, friends. Let's go through the post market analysis for today. Uh, if we look into Nifty and Bank Nifty, the day started out with a lot of positives for both the indices. So let's go through the Nifty first. It's currently at 15,800 levels. All right, and if we see on the daily candle, this particular candle is not a very convincing candle. Yesterday the candle was up. There were like a lot of buying happening, and we were expecting 16,000 level. But today with this kind of candle, which is like an inverted hammer, right, we see a lot of selling that has happened during the daytime. Okay, and if we see the 15-minute candle, okay, the day started with a big green color candle with a lot of buying happening, and apparently the buying persists till 12 o'clock. And post that, it was like an M formation happened, and there was a reversal of trend. I wouldn't say trend; it's trend for intraday, where the neckline got broken. A lot of sellers jumped in, and the prices have reached back to 15,800 level. Closing lower than the opening of the day. Okay, so it seems like it's psychological. There are other factors there, like other sectors which have not supported Nifty, that we'll see subsequently. Similar to that, Bank Nifty again was very positive during the day. Okay, it started with very positive. You see this follow through coming after the previous day rally. Okay, so it's a bullish signal. The In the first hour, if you see on intraday basis, after the first 15-minute candle, it was completely buying from say like 35,200 level to 35,800 level of buying, and in the end there was a little bit of profit booking that has happened. So the Bank Nifty is very bullish compared to Nifty, and Nifty has come into certain pressure, and this is mostly because of CNX IT, which was 300 points down, along with the auto and the FMCG sector. So these three were the main sector, along with pharma as well, who dragged Nifty down. And if you see on the later part of the day, almost most of the stocks started up with positive, and in the later part of the day, that has most of them have closed in the at the bottom. So let's look for stocks for tomorrow, and some of the stocks which have done good today. I think one of them would be Bajaj Finance. On a daily chart, Bajaj Finance looks pretty good, and it is coming up with after a long consolidation. So it really looked bullish during the daytime. And if you see on the intraday, the first candle was a big green candle, and there was a sideways, the consolidation happened. The moment it broke 6,830 level, within 15 minutes, from 6,130 it touched 6,330, which is a 200 point move that happened in 30 minutes time. Okay, and after that a lot of profit booking happened, and the stock has come down. We're still bullish on this particular stock, and we believe that this stock should do better and should continue to hold the position. The next one is Dr. Lal Path Lab. Okay, if you see on a daily, it's purely on an uptrend, and there has been buying happening for say like last week and this week as well. A lot of buying has happened. If we see on an intraday basis, the day started off well, and it really continued until say like 1 o'clock, that you can think of being on the buying side. Okay, so the next one is AU Bank, the Australian Small Finance Bank. This particular stock has done really well after long consolidation. The stock did really well today. Okay, and on the intraday basis, it gapped up, followed by a big green color candle. There was like a lot of buying happening, and see from 1031 level, it went to 1142 level, so which is really good. Though on the second part there's still some amount of profit booking happening, but keep an eye on the stock. The stock is going to do well, I believe. The next one is on PVR Cinemas, and this is purely sentimental stocks because of the lockdown relaxation, and people started moving in the anticipation that they would go to the theaters very soon. The stock has done well. And if you see, the stock was running at 1460 level, and after that there is lot of selling that has happened. And I used to see, like, on an everyday basis, I used to just short this stock. But it has taken a pause at 200 period moving average, and followed by today is the day where it has cleaned up so many previous candles, and it is looking really bullish. And because of the sentiments, you must keep this particular stock in your radar and look for buying opportunity, and this is purely because of the sentiments. Okay, and on the 15-minute candle, the stock did not give any selling, from right from the word go it has been buying until, say, like 115 or 20, that you might look to book your positions. So it was a completely buying day for PVR Cinemas. JK Cement, there is some news around the regulations and all. Okay. So the stock is doing really well, and see, after long consolidation, it has become a green. There's like a lot of buying that has happened on this candle. Okay, and if you would have seen, first an hour or two, the stock did not move, but the moment it broke, the first, say, like the third candle of the day on the 15-minute side, then from, say, like 2900 level, it went up to 3100, so 200 points of movement. And again, the same story, the second part of the day did not, most of the stock did not do well. What you should keep in mind is, in the sectors which are at pressure are the ITs, FMCG, and auto sector, followed along with pharma as well. So that's impacting the Nifty. However, on the bank Nifty, SDFC Bank and others banks have done well. IT, it's TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, everything you can short, and those haven't done well. All right. So my recommendation for tomorrow is to keep an eye on all these stocks, especially PVR Cinemas, AU Bank, Lal Path, JK Cements, and if you see opening above the high of today on these stocks, then you should look for buying opportunity and stay buying on these stocks. All right, so let's connect tomorrow as well to discuss on the stocks, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.